You've arrived at the furniture fair and collected business cards. So, what's next? Today, we'll look at mistakes that even professionals make. Let's go. The illusion of the exhibition sample. A perfectly lit, flawlessly assembled sample on the stand is the peak of a factory's craft, made just for the show. But what will you get in the mass-produced batch? Will it have the same fabric shade, the same seam quality, and the same filler density? A professional approach, don't trust the gloss. Always ask the manager for real warehouse photos or videos from the current production line. Compare them and ask questions. 90% of the differences between a sample and a batch are in details not seen at first glance. A guide to Foshan. Glamour versus reality. Foshan's furniture malls, like the Louvre, are simply mind-blowing. It's a storefront designed to impress, but real production capacities, innovative materials, and the best prices are often hidden in Foshan's huge industrial zones or hundreds of nameless factories across Guangdong. Getting there without knowing the language or having a local guide is almost impossible. It's easy to spend a week searching and not find what you need. What's inside the sofa? The secret of saggy armchairs. Why does one sofa last 10 years while another sags in just one? It's all about the density of the polyurethane foam. Most budget segment factories use a density of only 15 to 18 kilograms per cubic meter. It loses its shape quickly. The Globus quality standard. We require factories to use foam with a density of at least 28 to 35 kilograms per cubic meter for seating. This guarantees comfort and shape retention for many years. The trap of Asian dimensions. A standard king size in China is often smaller than the European one. Sofa depth and table height are designed for an average height of 170 centimeters. For the European market, such furniture can be very uncomfortable. So how do we solve this problem? We know the ergonomic standards for the European CIS and American markets. When placing an order, we adjust the furniture's dimensions, increasing seat depth, backrest height, and leg height, adapting it for your clients. The climate trap. Furniture made in Guangdong's humid climate can behave unpredictably in the dry climate of Russia or the CIS. Solid wood cracks, veneer peels off, and natural marble shipped in winter can crack from temperature changes when delivered to freezing regions. Our experience? We know these risks. We choose the right wood species, control material moisture, and develop special thermal packaging for fragile goods sent to cold regions. The anatomy of perfect packaging. Your cargo is insured. Cold comfort when you receive broken furniture and miss your project deadlines. 99% of transport damage happens precisely because of skimping on packaging. The Globus packaging standard. We don't trust factory packaging. Every item passes through our warehouse, where we add multi-layer protection and a mandatory rigid plywood crate. That's the only way to ensure the cargo arrives safely. The real price formula. Why shipping just one sofa is a loss. The price tag in Foshan is only 60 to 70% of the final cost. Don't let yourself be fooled. The real price, FOB factory price plus shipping across China, plus export clearance, plus sea freight, plus customs clearance in your country, plus delivery to your address. Conclusion. All these overhead costs will eat up the profit if you're only shipping a few items. Real savings of 40 to 60% or more of the budget only start with a comprehensive purchase of $50,000 or more. Let's lose the rose-colored glasses on timelines. Factories at the booths promise to get everything done in 30 to 35 days. That's just pure marketing. A real premium project schedule looks like this. Weeks 1 to 2, approving the estimate, drawings, and selecting fabrics. Weeks 3 to 10, production of custom-sized furniture and finishes, 45 to 60 days on average. Week 11, quality inspection and fixing any defects. Sometimes it takes much longer than that. Weeks 12 to 16, logistics, customs clearance, and delivery to your door. In total, the earliest you'll receive your cargo is 4 to 5 months. At Globus, we always provide honest timelines and manage them so you can plan your business. Why buying directly from 15 different factories is a mistake. The idea of saving money by working directly with factories seems very tempting, but in reality, it turns into a nightmare. 15 contracts, 15 negotiations, 15 payments, 15 quality checks, and 15 separate shipments. Now imagine, the sofa arrived in the wrong color and the marble table was broken during delivery. So who's to blame? The sofa factory, the stone supplier, the logistics provider? Responsibility is blurred. You're left alone with the problem. The Globus solution: we are your single point of entry and accountability. One contract, one manager, one quality standard for all goods. We solve all the problems on our end in China. Negotiation secrets. Why a 30% discount kills quality. In China, you can talk them into almost any discount, but there are no miracles. A factory won't work at a loss. By agreeing to a 30% discount, you're tacitly agreeing that the manufacturer will cut corners on everything. Use cheap filler, thin metal, replace solid wood with particle board, and quality lacquer with a cheap alternative. Our approach: we know the actual cost of production. We get the best price through volume and long-term relationships with factories, but we never let them lower the quality standards set in our technical specifications. The truth about Foshan: there's no such thing as a perfect factory. Let's be realists. Even the best factories have defects. Human error, communication gaps, and component supplier issues are an inevitable part of the manufacturing process in China. The goal isn't to find a mythical perfect factory, but to build a system that catches and fixes 100% of defects before the shipment is sent. Our total QC control is your peace of mind. That's exactly why we have a staff of 30 employees in Foshan. Our inspectors are your eyes and hands on the production floor. They check every item against the technical specifications, verify the quality of materials, seams, joints, and paint, test mechanisms and hardware, and send you detailed photo and video reports. Any defect is corrected at the factory at the manufacturer's expense. Only 100% quality goods reach you. Friends, we offer you an alternative path without risks or headaches. Our company Globus has been on the market for over 15 years. We handle comprehensive furniture supplies to all countries in the world. 5 transparent steps to working with us. Inquiry and technical specifications. We discuss the project and you send the references. Selection and calculation. We select the products, do the calculation, and offer 3D visualization. Contract and payment. We sign a single contract and you make a down payment. Production and QC. We monitor production and quality at all the factories. Delivery. We consolidate, pack, and deliver the cargo to your door. If you found this interesting, be sure to subscribe. This was Matvey, the owner of Globus. Bye, everyone.